Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can level up your footage by adding a dynamic zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. So the dynamic zoom effect is the professional technique in cinema and top YouTube videos that will add energy, focus, and cinematic flair to your clip. So now you can start by enabling or activate the dynamic zoom in here. You can click on your clips, and here under the inspector, you need to turn on the dynamic zoom. So it's a start. You can click once in here and you'll see a linear in here. You can just choose the options in here. And now it needs more attention. So what you need to do in here is just click on the drop down in here, this one, and click on the dynamic zoom. So you'll see this line. So this is the starting point of the zoom, and this one is where it ends. So what you need to do next is just here click on the swap options, and you'll see this. So that's how you can add a dynamic zoom effects to your clips in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.